Just picked up my car from Bailey's. They just installed the Edelbrock Victor II intake manifold. This was after some pretty extensive work that was done to the engine as far as upgrading the cam to a blower base cam, stainless works long tube headers, high stall torque converter, and forged internals. There's a lot of, I think there's been a lot of misconceptions and questions about this particular intake manifold. 6.1s were getting kind of scarce when I was looking to install those for an upgrade on this vehicle, or install one for an upgrade on this vehicle, which kind of left the Edelbrock being one of the few options we had with the incoming install of the ProCharger F1A. So we installed Bailey's installed the manifold, and so now we're just doing a driver's test just to kind of check out how it feels. On the dyno, you know, we picked up around 5 to 6 horsepower, I think, but a whopping 30 pounds of torque. That's probably due to the cam and the layout of the rest of the car, you know, already having some engine work done. But you know, just for it being naturally aspirated right now before the ProCharger goes on, I mean, 30 foot-pounds that's a pretty impressive number and should completely change the way the car drives. So we're going to test that out here in just a moment. Holy holy we'll just say the tires aren't quite up to the task as it stands currently. If you have a 6.4 liter scat pack and do some engine mods, first thing you're going to want to do is upgrade those tires. For a naturally aspirated car, that's pretty impressive. Totally different drive from the way it was before. The pull is just constant all the way through. Before it was like you'd feel it, like that initial kick would kind of kick in. I mean, you know, and then it would even out, you know, but this was just constant. Wow. Totally different. Totally different. Am I happy with this manifold as it stands right now? Hell yes. I mean, I don't know. It's going to get better than this when the ProCharger's on, but yeah, I mean, it's already really freaking awesome.